Before making a decision to invest in Neil Patel Digital, there are several things you need to consider. While Neil Patel Digital is one of the more recognizable names in digital marketing, it's essential to weigh both the advantages and limitations before diving in. In this video, we'll break down the 7 things you need to know before buying and give you a clearer picture of whether this is the right choice for your business. Stick around, because the last point might change the way you approach digital marketing. First off, Neil Patel Digital is a full-service digital marketing agency, and it's known for its performance-driven approach. If you're looking for an agency that focuses heavily on SEO, content marketing, and paid media, this might be a great fit. But before you jump in, keep in mind that while their services are comprehensive, they're not necessarily cheaper than their competitors. The question to ask yourself is whether you're getting the best return for your investment when compared to other agencies offering similar services, like SEMrush or HubSpot. Next thing to consider is the agency's personalized approach. Neil Patel's team is known for tailoring digital marketing strategies specifically for your business needs. This personalized touch can help improve SEO rankings and drive more traffic, especially if you're a growing business. But this kind of tailored service comes at a premium, so it's crucial to evaluate if the cost aligns with the value you expect to get from a custom marketing strategy. The third thing is their content marketing expertise. If your business relies on high-quality content to attract and engage customers, Neil Patel Digital is a solid choice. Their strategies revolve around creating high-quality content that boosts organic traffic. In fact, Neil Patel's blog is known as one of the best digital marketing resources out there, and they bring this same level of expertise to their clients. However, if you're looking for something more scalable and less reliant on ongoing content production, you might want to explore options like pay-per-click, PPC, specialists who focus solely on ads. Next up, let's talk about the tools they use. Neil Patel Digital integrates several tools to help with keyword research, backlink analysis, and content performance. Tools like Ubersuggest, which is actually developed by Neil Patel, are part of the backbone of their approach. However, while these tools are powerful, they are not always the most cutting edge in the market. Companies like Ahrefs and SEMrush provide more detailed insights, especially for larger scale operations. The fifth thing you need to know is about their approach to paid advertising. Neil Patel Digital offers pay-per-click, PPC services that can drive immediate results. Their team is skilled at handling Google Ads and social media advertising. However, if your focus is solely on paid campaigns, you might find better value with agencies that specialize only in paid advertising, like WordStream or PPC management specialists. The sixth thing to note is the level of transparency they offer. With Neil Patel Digital, you can expect detailed reports, which helps you see the results of your campaigns. You'll know exactly where your money is going, which can help you make more informed decisions. But keep in mind that the reporting and analytics can be quite technical. If you don't have the expertise to interpret data and implement changes, you might need extra support, which could lead to additional costs. The seventh and final thing to consider before jumping into Neil Patel Digital is the customer service and support they provide. Their support is generally good, but if you're looking for something more hands-on or in-depth, you might find other agencies provide a more responsive 24/7 service. Agencies that focus on smaller businesses often offer a higher level of direct interaction, which could be more beneficial if you're just starting out. If you're ready to explore Neil Patel Digital and see if it's the right fit for your business, you can try it for completely free by clicking the first link below. This will not only give you access to a free trial, but you'll also get exclusive benefits to help you make the most out of the experience. So, to wrap it up, Neil Patel Digital offers a lot of value if you're looking for a comprehensive, performance-driven approach, but there are definitely some factors to weigh. If you're a business looking for tailored strategies and are willing to invest, they're a great choice. Just make sure it aligns with your budget and goals before making a decision. Click the first link below to get the best offer and try Neil Patel Digital completely free today.